I'm Pete Merritt, head chef of Rick Steins Seafood Restaurant. I've been here since 2019. Day to day, I come in and make sure the ship is running fine, really. From ordering, staffing levels, checking the food, checking the quality, checking the produce, dealing with a lot of suppliers as well, making sure we know what's coming this season, what we need to get on the menu, just checking in with the team, making sure everyone is progressing and enjoying their roles as chefs, which is what we're all here for. Started into kitchen, started into chefing when I was probably 14. Basically, my sister said there was a job at St Petrock's. I had a kitchen porter, so I got the job there, and I'd done that for a few years. And then one day the head chef basically got me in the kitchen and said, "You need to start cooking now." And really never looked back, just kept going. I loved it, loved the food, loved the camaraderie with all the team, and the social life as well was pretty good. So we've had a partnership with Steins and Leith's School of Food and Wine since probably around 2006. Every year we have one or two students coming in, a couple of weeks of the year. As far as I'm aware, pretty much everyone has been great. They come in with an open mind. They come in really willing to learn, willing to get as much out of their time at the seafood restaurant as possible. I think what I'd expect from a Leiths graduate coming in is to be open-minded, see how obviously the classroom is a lot different to the actual reality of the kitchen, how everyone talks to each other, how everyone communicates, the prep levels, getting set for service, usually 12 o'clock, there is a time limit, so you do need to have a sort of amount of speed, but again, it's the way the team all gel together, all communicate to send the food coordinated and on time, because you're not working as an individual, you are working as a team. And again, we've got Hannah in today, so she's getting put through her paces in the kitchen. So Hannah's week this week she'll be in the kitchen today, settling in on the first day, but then we'll be moving around the sections from starters to mains to pastry to larder. Each section obviously has a different criteria of what prep they have to do for service and the dishes they have to serve the customers. She'll also do some plating and also some cooking as well. So we'll get her on the stove as well. Every service is different, every scenario is different, so you do have to have the chef's brain to be able to adapt when you need something really quick, to get it on really quick. But again, the quality control as well to make sure she is doing the recipes that Rick loves.
So we're delighted once again this year to be offering 2 students the chance to go and work at the seafood restaurant in Padstow, Rick Steins Restaurant. Students have submitted their applications and AJ is going to pick the lucky winners from the 2 pots.
I'm excited about this because this was me when I was at Leiths quite a while ago now. I won this raffle and went to Rick Steins and then ended up working there for about 5 years. So anyway, I'm excited. So
here we go.
7. Very dramatic. And the winner is...
I am here in Padstow for a week's work experience at Rick Steins. From the beginning of walking into Rick Steins, it was so welcoming. The head chef Pete was so friendly. He got me right into the kitchen. I had a good tour around, met everyone, and really just threw myself into it. It was a really organised and friendly kitchen to be in. Day 1 was straight away onto lunch service. I've never experienced a service that busy, and I was at the front plating up. I was learning everything from the right plates to use, what dishes were being ordered, which had which side. I would watch a dish being plated and then I would, the next time, plate it myself. They want the plates a certain way. They know how everything should be, and head chef Pete's there watching you do it, and you don't want to make a mistake. When they asked me if I could do these things, because of the training, I was able to feel more confident in what I was doing there and show that I had a good foundation of knowledge and skills. So I've always had in the back of my mind that I wanted to go to culinary school. It's something I've always wanted to do. After contacting Leith, I went and had a tour of the school, and to be honest with you, I'd made up my mind at that point. I knew I was going. I think Leith has really exceeded my expectations. I didn't expect for the level of teaching to be so high, for the teachers to be so incredible and friendly and really trying to give you the best opportunity to learn everything and welcoming questions. I also didn't expect to meet such incredible, talented other people and make so many friends. It's just a really good place to be if you love food.
The ethos at Steins really is to come in and enjoy your job. You should be skipping down the road, coming in, seeing your friends, almost like your family. You want to learn, but you want to enjoy your time here. Everyone in the kitchen there, they communicate, but they work hard, but they all get along. Everyone just should enjoy their job. I think you work better if you enjoy what you're doing. Camaraderie is a big thing for us, the teamwork, the spirit. and it shows in everyone's performance really over time. The biggest tip I can give Tana this week, if in doubt what to say, just say yes, chef.